To access the ambient air temperature sensor, you must first remove the front bumper cover. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. After removing the front bumper, you can see the ambient air temperature sensor protruding into the airstream indicated by the red arrow. Use a T25 Torx and remove the 3 screws securing the radiator shroud, green arrows. Note, it isn't necessary to remove the headlights. We found utilizing a longer extension provided better clearance around the shrouding. The screws aren't particularly tight, but remember to align the tool with the fastener properly to avoid rounding out the torque heads. The electrical connection, red arrow, is a simple pinch and pull connector attached directly to the ambient air sensor. Inspect the wires for any damage and clean off any dirt that could foul the connection. Once the fasteners and ambient air sensor electrical connection is loose, tilt the shroud forward. The lip at the top of the shroud, blue arrow, needs to slightly bend to be freed from the retaining ledge. As the shroud tilts forward, lift the shroud up and away from the ledge at the bottom of the radiator, red arrow. Be careful while removing the shroud to avoid damaging the fins on the radiator or the AC condenser. Once free, flip the shroud around and pull the sensor out from behind the shroud, red arrow. It's a simple pull, but a slight twist back and forth may help loosen the friction fit. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.